Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Digital Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the LED light mode in the Creative Pebble Nova speakers. Here, as you can see, we do have the Creative Pebble Nova speaker in the Creative app, and here we have a tab on this LED light section. To change the LED light modes, we have to tap on the, as you can see, numbers at the top. We have here chasers, aurora, pigmeter, glowing, wave, and cycle. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.